Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are harvesting some more things in the garden.
And I'm the mystery guest today.
Yeah, he's our guest today. He subscribed to our channel, and if you guys subscribe, you guys can get featured in some of our future videos too. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. While you're doing that, you might as well like the video, and also comment what your favorite thing was in this video. And then if you grew this Amaranthus leaves, Amaranthus, how do you pronounce it again?
Amaranthus.
Amaranthus leaves. Okay, so let's get right into harvesting this. We're gonna have our guest subscriber harvest it. So you just have to take the scissors. You know how to use scissors, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so then you just take the edge of the leaf, like all the way down there.
And then you just cut it, right?
Yeah, you just
That's
cut
easy.
it. No, at the edge.
Right there?
Yeah, and cut.
At the
And
very
then
edge. This is
You want to have a
because-
lot of the stem remaining because you can use the stem for cooking too.
And also,
So as you can see, when we cut one, we used a lot of the stem.
that is because after you cut it here, the
can be-
leaves are blocking. It won't regrow from there.
Yeah.
So we have to use as much of the plant as we can.
So
So
yeah.
like right here to
Yeah.
the really edge.
Yeah.
You need a lot of the stem.
Yeah. So we'll fast forward and after we cut however much we need, and we'll show you guys how much we got and how much is still remaining. Just an overview of how much we harvested. So thanks for watching this part. So did you start it?
Yes.
At the moment. Okay. Anyway, so we didn't finish everything, but as you can see, we've cut a lot. I just wanted to say one more tip: don't cut all the way to the end like we showed by accident, because we accidentally where is this? Yeah, we accidentally cut a small twig part while cutting at the edge, and this could have grown into bigger leaves, so that's not cool. And my brother also has a few more tips to share.
So, basically, don't put them very close together, and don't put a lot in one box
When you're
growing them.
not
So then the leaves are able to grow bigger, and the roots are able to spread out. And also, we had a location that only had sun for a little while, and the rest of the time it was shady, which is perfect for all of these leaves, which is why we have a lot of leaves in this one area. Last time when we grew the amaranthus leaves, we grew it somewhere else, and the leaves were like super tiny, like this tiny, and they weren't growing any bigger.
Yeah.
And we would just get seeds automatically. So make sure to put it in a spot where there's more shade and less sun. That's perfect for leaves. So we will continue harvesting these and show you the end product. Bye! Go subscribe.
So I bought myself some scissors. They're tiny, but like still. So
We're getting some good progress here.
yeah.
And the subscriber is
So tell
helping
me,
a lot.
while we're harvesting, let's talk a bit.
Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say?
Yeah. Do you have anything to say?
This channel is really good. Like,
Okay.
the videos that they make are really good. Like, it's just a general. Like, did you like the experience coming
Did you
here?
like the experience coming here?
Yeah, it was really good. Go subscribe to their channel. You have to.
Okay. When did you subscribe to our channel? I'm just curious. When did you
I don't remember, but it was like maybe a month or two ago.
Oh wow, pretty recent as well. Yeah, we stopped uploading from like last Halloween to like a few weeks ago because we were really busy, and like that was like the worst part of Corona, and so yeah, it wasn't really the best part of the year.
And also, still our plants were still growing, so we
Yeah.
had nothing to.
We didn't have anything to do. And
And then we did some tech reviews.
Yeah, we did some tech reviews during them. Yeah, we just weren't feeling it, but like we started going back, and you guys started watching our videos. We got a few more subscribers and lots of likes on our videos, so we had more inspiration to keep going. So we'll pause the video again here, so that you guys can get the full harvesting experience, like after we harvest it. So yeah, here's how much we've cut. Fellow subscriber here, and
Go
we cut so much, and as you can see, there's still a lot, but we're not gonna harvest this yet because as you can see, all the leaves are pretty small compared to like the big leaves that we've seen in here. Like this one, So, yeah, that's what we're gonna leave those to grow. Also, here's another tip that we forgot to add: cut from the top and then to the bottom, because the top ones are bigger, and you can leave the smaller ones to keep growing until the bigger size, and then you can harvest them again later time. That's usually the logic. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Go subscribe and stick around for some bloopers
And click the notification bell.
when you subscribe.
We got a number one victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. My friend just got down. I revived him. Now we're heading southbound. Now we're in the Pleasant Park. Please look at the map. Go to the mark. Dude, don't cut that. That's too small. What do you mean? Why are you cutting that? Do not cut those small ones. They're gonna grow. Okay, guys, break it out.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully, we guys can see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button.
If you want hit the notification bell button. Hit the notification bell button.
Okay.
If you want to get featured in another video. Peace out. Hope you like the bloopers.
Subscribe.
Hope you like the bloopers. Bye. Bye.